Optimize your workflow and increase productivity with TruBind's TB-3CL, the 3-in-1 comb, coil, and twin-loop wire finisher. The TB-3CL is essential for high-volume productions and the perfect companion for any modular binding machine with interchangeable dies. It measures 18 inches in width and 16 inches in depth, making it the perfect fit for any workspace. This machine is compatible with 11-inch comb spines for projects up to 2 inches thick, 4-to-1 pitch coil spines for projects up to 7/8 inches thick, and twin loop wire projects of a 2-to-1 or 3-to-1 pitch and up to 1 1/4 inch thick. Here's one way to efficiently produce a large number of projects requiring different spine finishes. After punching your documents, separate them by comb, coil, and twin loop wire projects. A pro tip for coil projects is to hand thread the spines into the first several holes for all of your documents in preparation for the TB-3CL. Next, prepare the machine by locking in the wire closing lever on the right side, the comb lever on the left side, and the foot pedal and power cord into the back of the machine. For your comb-bound projects, start by ensuring that the comb opening lever is pushed all the way back in its starting position. Place the comb on the fence with the opening face up, then gently pull the lever forward to open it. Place your project onto the teeth of the comb face down, then close it. For coil-bound projects, take one of your pre-threaded documents and turn on the electric coil inserter. Use a slight dabbing motion as you continuously flip the document over until the coil is centered. For thicker projects, we like to use the foot pedal, which provides more control over the start and stop of the electric inserter. A coil crimping tool is included with your machine. We recommend waiting until all of your projects have been bound before cutting and crimping. Keep the red eye of the tool on the top side and simply insert it into the end and squeeze. For twin loop wire-bound projects, start by matching the setting of your wire closer to the size of your wire spine. Do this by placing the end of your wire onto the sizing guide, then adjust the dial accordingly. A pro tip is to take the back cover and flip it around so that it faces the front cover, allowing you to hide the seam of the spine for a professional finish. With your project aligned to the teeth of the wire, use both hands to lift it off and into the closer. Ensure that the opening of the wire is facing down, keep your project upright, then pull down the wire closing lever. You're now ready to bind your projects. Thanks for watching another how-to video by Lamination Depot. For this machine and many other products, visit our one-stop shop, laminationdepot.com.